e-commerce agency has been in business for over 26 years, and as you could probably expect, we've seen a ton of change during that time. Since there's so much change in the e-commerce industry, sometimes as an e-commerce professional, it's hard to kind of cut through the noise and decide what you should focus on in the new year. Because of that, we've worked really hard here at Interact One this year in order to curate a list of the top 5 trends that we think are really important to pay attention to moving forward. And this list was put together by our senior level team of experts and also informed by the work that we do for our clients on the regular. So number 1 is AI personalization. So it's more important than ever to customize the user experience of your website in order to fit your customers' needs and wants. Another major trend is social shopping. So things like TikTok shop, Instagram shop, Pinterest even. If you don't have that set up, feel free to reach out to us and we can help you get started. Your voice to order things online is increasingly more common. And while I'm on that topic, Alexa, please order me new Nespresso pods. The last 2 trends we want to touch on are making sure your website is optimized for mobile first and using user-generated content in order to sell your products.